Hello my money makers, your tech mom is here. Take a look at this video.
When peace like a river attended my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. With my soul. It is well with my soul.
I also want you to take a look at this channel, Mighty Oracle. Now, looking at their popular video, they got 2-point-something million views in the past 6 months. Now, this channel have been making millions of views with this particular content, and trust me, this channel is monetized. What if I tell you that with your smartphone, you can create this kind of content and be making money with it on social space? I'm talking about TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. You can literally print money with this type of content. Now, this is the sweet part of this type of content. You lift people's souls up, you inspire people, especially when your songs are melodious and inspirational. Someone said that music is life. How true is it? Yes, music is life and people enjoy music. When your music is very sweet, people will be glued to your channel. That is the secret of this particular channel. I don't only want to show you people that are successful that I don't know. I want to show you one of my trainees who just started this type of content on YouTube just last month, June 2025. She's raking views and she have gathered up to 14K subscribers just within the space of 1 month. Now you might be asking yourself, how am I going to monetize this kind of content? Won't YouTube strike it because of music, right? I'm going to answer you this particular question at the end of this video. Please don't skip any part of this video because each stage I will leak so many information about that stage. The beautiful aspect of this content is that I use AI to curate everything you see in this particular content. There is this particular tool that stood out among all the tools that I used. These particular tools convert lyrics to audio with beautiful sounds. I kid you not. So by the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create the content and possible ways that you can monetize this particular music content curation. And for the contest, I just posted this particular video on my new TikTok account yesterday, and it has gathered just within the space of 12 hours, not even up to 24 hours. Within the space of 12 hours, I've gotten 200 and something views from it. Do you see how music works? And I have up to 35 likes on this particular music, only one music that I posted. Bring your cup of tea, relax, let's dive in to create this content while I show you multiple ways you can monetize it. I mean practical ways you can monetize it while you inspire people. Yeah, and if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur teaching you exactly how to make money legitimately using AI in content curation. So why not go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification button. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to get our release, and getting this release is very easy. Now, to begin such channel, I'm going to teach it the way a 2-year baby will understand it. First of all, you're gonna come to your Chrome or any browser that you are using. Just tap on this place, search on any song, maybe any hymn that maybe you remember. Just search it. I am searching for Steadfast Love of the Lord. So I'll just go on Google and type it. Now, another way is that you can also use ChatGPT to create your own song. You can just tell ChatGPT, I want to create songs on the Steadfast Love of the Lord. Now, let me show you that's one of ChatGPT. Now, this is my ChatGPT. Now, look at the prompt that I'm giving to it. I want you to create the lyrics of this hymn. Worry not, God will do it. So you can just come up with a random idea and create a hymn from it. Do you understand? You go ahead and paste this. Now I'm going to drop any prompt that I'm going to use. I'm going to drop it on my WhatsApp channel and on my Telegram channel. If you have not joined my channels, please go ahead and join the 2 channels. Now ChatGPT will start creating all the lyrics for me. So this is how you can come up with your own songs if you don't want to go with the random hymns. All right, so but I'm going to go with the random hymn. Now this is the lyrics of this hymn. I'm going to go ahead and copy it just this way. From here, I'll copy it. The next stage is converting the lyrics to audio. So let's go ahead to convert this to audio. Like I said, we are going to use two tools. The first one is Mureka AI. If you look at this dashboard here, you will see it, Mureka AI. I noticed this tool and it is very, very sweet. I'm telling you, you guys can't wait to try it out. And go ahead and click on create. They are doing magic with this their platform. And paste the lyrics here. They said you should enter lyrics. Please make sure you sign into their application. All right, enter the song title. Now type any title of the song you want. Maybe I can say Lord is faithful. Now go ahead. You see this place, reference, create songs inspired by a reference track. I don't want to make use of it because they're going to show you different tones you can pick from. Now, one good thing about this Mureka AI is that you can as well add your own audio. Any audio that you want it to use, you will add it here. How do you do that? I'm coming to that place. Look at it now. Vocal. Click on this vocal. You will see upload. You upload your own audio or you add the YouTube link of that audio, and that is pretty fine. Or you can choose from here any tone that you want. Okay, you can choose from here, but I want to tell you this thing: uploading an audio is one of their pro feature. So, and their price is not quite high. All right, now go down. This is description of the music. You have to describe the kind of music that you want. I'm going to go with soul, comma, spirit filled, comma, worship, calm. Now you can as well pick from here. You see their instruments. Now this is what I added here: soul, spirit filled, worship, instrument, hymn, inspired, female vocal, male vocal. As soon as you set it this way, you click on done. Now go down. You will see where they say you should record. Maybe if you want to record the tone you want, that's same thing. So we are done already. Just go ahead and click on create. It will start creating. Now music is ready, or our hymn is ready. Let us play it.
The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never have come to an end. They are new every morning, new every morning.
Now, another tool that you can use is Suno AI. I've made a tutorial on how to use Suno AI. So if you want to know how to make use of Suno AI, just click on this link up here. It will take you to the tutorials on how to make use of Suno AI. So I won't start teaching about it afresh. Now, the third stage is generating our image prompts and also curating the image itself. Visuals are the most captivating tools here. All right, now let's head over to my Google Docs. You can have access to my Google Docs from my WhatsApp channel. My WhatsApp channel link will be on the description bar of this video. So this is it. You go ahead and copy the second prompt just this way. Copy it and head over to ChatGPT. Now paste it. Give me 10 visuals. You can copy it directly from my Google Docs. Okay. Now it will bring out all the things you want. You can generate up to 10, 20, 50, depends on you. All right. Now, two ways we can generate this is either we copy it directly and go to VO3, that is Google VO3, and generate it as video directly, or we go ahead and generate the image and still go back to Google VO3. You guys know that Google VO3 can now accept images and convert it to video. That is what I've been using for my own Faceless channels. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it this way. Copy each one. I'm going to use Leonardo AI to generate it. Why am I choosing Leonardo AI? Leonardo AI will give you high quality image. Okay. I'm going to delete what I have here and paste that I've copied. Select all and delete. Now go ahead and paste it here. This is it. You click on generate. Please check your ratio, and for your information, I turned my phone to desktop side. I have to switch to desktop side here. You can see it here. It's under. If you click on the three dots on your Chrome, you see it under, and then look at me getting the 16:9 of what I want. If I don't want it to be 16:9, I can go ahead and click on the normal portrait format. So I can go ahead and click on 2:3. That is portrait format, or you can also use custom as well. Now I'm going to hit on generate here. You can see the generate here. It will start generating. Now look at the image. I'm going to go ahead to save it. You can see it. It is very beautiful and clean. I'm downloading them now. Click on it. You see the arrow up. You download it. As soon as you download it, you go ahead and copy the next one and keep downloading each of them. The fourth stage is to convert it to video with a free AI tool. Now for converting it to video, we are going to make use of Google Veo 3. Like I told you, Google Veo 3 can now accept image. Go ahead and search for Google Veo 3 Flow. We have Google Veo 3 in Gemini. We have it inside Canva, but we are going to make use of the Flow. Alright. Now, if you are just seeing my first video on Google Veo 3, please go through my videos. You will see we have talked about how you can do your subscription without spending a dime. Alright, click on the flow aspect, sign in and do all the necessary registration. Now click on create with flow. Now go ahead and click on new project. As soon as you click on new project, come to this place, click on frames to video. Now go ahead and import the images. You import maybe one of the images, this one. You can create your image both in portrait and landscape format. I want to go with portrait format. Now I'm going to go with this one, crop, just this way. Now you go ahead and write worshiping God, or you can just write anything that comes to your mind. You click on generate, it will start generating. Now our video is ready. Let's go ahead and download it. Click on this arrow down and click on original size to start downloading. Let's play it.
Oh Lord, we worship you. We give you praise.
You're gonna turn all your images to video, all the images that you generated. Now the final stage is editing it. This is where we bring it to life. And I bet you creating this content is very easy. Forget about the time that it is taking us. When you do it, it is very easy. It will take you up to 30 minutes, you are done. Now this is the editing part of it, and I am using CapCut. If you are new to CapCut, I have a basic training on how to use CapCut, especially on mobile. You can register for my CapCut video editing training. This is specifically for beginners. All right, now go ahead and import those videos. Click on add. I've imported some, so I'm going to add the ones that I've worked on. So I'm going to add all of them. Let me add the next one, just this way. So I've added it. I'm going to zoom this to cover the screen. Okay, likewise this one, cover the screen. Now reduce or remove the audio entirely. Remove it entirely. Now we are going to import our own audio, the one that we created by ourselves. You're going to go with extract, because at some point, if you want to download that particular music from Mureka website, they will tell you to upgrade, because maybe you are using one of their pro features. You can go ahead and screen record it. Okay, I screen recorded it, and then I'm going to extract it now. Now I'll raise the volume a bit. I'm going to start it where I started the recording.
Oh Lord, my God,
Now this thing, I can go ahead and reduce the speed just a bit so that it can match with the tone of the song. The song is actually calm, so I'm going to reduce it a bit. Another thing is you can duplicate this, or you go with other clips. If you want to enter into another slide, go ahead and add this particular feature, mix, raise it up.
Consider all The world's thy hand.
So I'm going to reduce the speed as well.
Hands have made. I see the stars.
Each one, please add it this mix. Immediately you want to introduce another clip, add the mix. So you can go ahead and add your own name, your watermark.
Oh Lord, my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my
That's it. As soon as you are done, you export it. Now, how do you monetize it? If you want to monetize this particular music on YouTube, you guys know that if you want to monetize it, YouTube will ask you for music license. Go ahead and pay for those tools that you are using. The first tools that we use will charge you only $24, and that $24, they are not actually much comparing to what you are going to use and do. Now, how do you make money to pay for those tools? Go ahead and open a TikTok account, start posting these videos just to gather audience, then monetize the audience, teach them how to curate it. From there, you can raise the money and purchase this particular application. And once you purchase the app, you have the right to the music. And trust me, if anybody picks your music, YouTube will flag the person. It has become your music. So that is the best way to monetize it. As simple as that. This is what I'm into, and this is what I'm actually doing. As I showed you, one of my trainee is even doing the same thing. She has gathered 14k subscribers on YouTube. She is absolutely doing very well. And you can also monetize your YouTube channel by getting links of these Christian worships and all that from Amazon, from ST, and link it on your channel. Trust me, you're going to grow fast and people will be buying your products. Now tell me in the comment section, are you going to start this type of content or you're going to wait? See you guys. Bye.